Hey guys, so we are starting off by taking out the old hairstyle that I had in, and then I'm going to start parting my hair down the middle to prepare for this braid out. It's not a perfect part, but it'll do. So after that, I'm just sectioning my hair off and starting off with one side, getting ready to braid it. So I'm parting big little pieces, well, not even big little, I'm parting about medium size to big pieces because we're going for an undefined kind of defined look, I guess. I'm using Blueberry Bliss. I will link it down in the description box for you. It's their curl defining gelish type of thing. I don't use too much. Eco Style as well, 10 hold. I'm not using too much of either product because I don't want to get my hair to revert. I just want to get enough product in to hold some type of crinkle. And then I begin to braid. You want to make sure to braid all the way down to the ends. I twist once I can't reach the ends are too hard to braid anymore. I start twisting it, and then I'm just gonna repeat the steps again using the Blueberry Bliss and the 10 hold Eco Styler Argan Oil one. Just basically repeat all these steps for the whole head until it is done. I do about 6 braids total. And then this is the next day. I went to the gym, so that's why you'll see me pull out the blow dryer on cool to make sure my hair is dry while I'm doing this. I pretty much do it each section. And then, so we're just preparing to take out these braids. I'm kind of making sure not to mess up the pattern of the braids as I'm taking it out because I'm going to do a lot of fluffing once it's done anyway, so I don't want to mess it up. And then again, just going through with the blow dryer because I want to make sure my roots are dry. Get ready. So then I'm just going through and fluffing it out and kind of making it more of a uniform look. We're going for, again, that undefined afro-y yet some type of definition look going on. I like big hair. That's just me. And then there we have it. That is how we look. That is our undefined fluffy braid out. There we go. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.